Hey, how's it going? I'm Jonathan. I'm the CEO and founder of Livy AI, an AI-powered content creation tool to help you grow your business using artificial intelligence. Today, I'm going to be talking about our AI image generator tool and how you can create content for your Instagram, YouTube, social media platforms and to help you grow your business, grow your subscribers, grow your followers, grow your revenue. You know, cash cow channels are really popular nowadays, and using these tools are a great way to get that done. So what we have now in our current version is a integration with Dall-E and Stable Diffusion. So in this all-encompassing platform, you have the capability to use some of the biggest and best AI image generators out there without ever having to leave your workspace. So what we like about this is you get images, you don't have to pay a separate licensing fee, you don't have to pay a separate subscription fee, and you can do that all within Livy AI. Meanwhile, our AI engineers are currently working on a timeline in order for us to create our own image models, AI-powered image models, so that you can use that we believe will provide better content for you and your business. But today, let's look at Dall-E and see what kind of content we can create. So things that we have on our video or on a display here is you can input a prompt. You can create an example prompt that can help you with that. You can adjust your image resolution, your art style, lighting style, mood, and the number of images for here. Let's just do a demo and see what we can get and see how the output generates. So today, a hedgehog smelling a flower, I think it's pretty good. Let's make it a pretty large image. Let's try, let's do minimalism. Let's see how that looks. Cinematic mood. Let's make it cheerful and let's generate one image. So right now the tool is working. It is taking the input and then generating an output. As it's working, I'll talk a little bit about how it works. Here's a final image that you can see. It's pretty realistic. It's pretty cinematic, and I think it does a pretty good job just off of a single prompt. With our free package, you can do 10 images for free. But with this, we've seen a lot of users do a lot of different things. For screenwriters, we see them take their screenplay and create a storyboard that they will then use and share with the directors and producers. We've seen content creators take these images and post them on social media. It's a great way to start generating content in a more effective way, more cost-effective way than purchasing a subscription license at a image licensing company and so forth. So this is our AI image generator tool. It is fantastic. We're always actively updating and adding new features. Like always, we love your feedback. Tell me your thoughts. And yeah, this is Jonathan Brown. I am the CEO and founder of Livy AI. And thank you for watching.